Welcome to ZPro Studio.
Artificial intelligence is transforming businesses faster than ever. Companies are using AI to automate tasks, improve customer service, detect fraud, and even make business decisions. But here's the surprising part. Many AI projects don't fail because the technology is bad, they fail because of poor governance. In this video, you'll learn why AI transformation is becoming a governance challenge, the biggest mistakes organizations make, and how proper AI governance helps businesses succeed. What is AI transformation? AI transformation means integrating artificial intelligence into everyday business operations. Instead of using AI for small experiments, organizations rely on it for important tasks like hiring employees, detecting financial fraud, medical diagnosis, customer support, supply chain management. As AI becomes more involved in decision making, organizations need clear rules for how it should be developed, monitored, and used responsibly. That's where AI governance comes in. Why governance is the biggest challenge? Many companies adopt AI quickly but don't build the policies needed to manage it. This creates problems such as no one is accountable when AI makes a mistake. AI systems may introduce bias into important decisions. Sensitive customer data may not be properly protected. Organizations struggle to meet new AI regulations. Recent regulations, including the EU AI Act, have made AI governance more important than ever by requiring organizations to manage high-risk AI systems responsibly. Without governance, AI can create legal, financial, and reputational risks. 4 steps to better AI governance. Organizations can reduce these risks by following 4 key governance steps. First, create an inventory of every AI system used across the organization and identify which ones are high risk. Second, assign clear ownership. Every AI system should have technical owners, business owners, and people responsible for responding if problems occur. Third, implement governance controls such as access management, approval workflows, and human review for critical AI decisions. Finally, continuously monitor AI systems to ensure they remain accurate, secure, fair, and compliant as regulations and business needs evolve. Common mistakes to avoid. Many organizations make similar governance mistakes. These include treating AI governance as only an IT responsibility, waiting until after deployment to create governance policies, ignoring employees who use unauthorized AI tools, often called shadow AI. Avoiding these mistakes helps organizations reduce risks and improve trust in AI systems. Conclusion: AI transformation is about more than adopting new technology. It also requires strong governance, clear accountability, and continuous oversight. Organizations that invest in responsible AI governance are better prepared for regulations, build greater customer trust, and improve the long-term success of their AI initiatives. If you are planning to adopt AI in your business, start by reviewing every AI system you use and make sure each one has clear ownership and governance processes in place. For a detailed explanation, check out the full article linked in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ZPro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.